catastrophic flooding in Oman. Merciless flash floods after several days of heavy rains. Flash floods have caused destruction in parts of the Sultanate of Oman after several days of heavy rains. Accidents have been reported in Oman and Iran, where thousands of people have been displaced. Dozens of people were saved from flooding in the United Arab Emirates, UAE, Saudi Arabia and Kuwait. A turbulent flow of water in Wadi al-Hokain in Rostak province in the Sultanate of Oman. Due to heavy rains, floods occurred in some parts of the country. The element leaves nothing in its path. Electric cables are on fire. Many people are left without electricity. People are saved from the turbulent streams of a mountain river. A brave man heroically saves children. Brave guys do not spare their car to meet the turbulent streams of water. Rare footage. The rainy situation has reached its peak. The amount and intensity of rain increased in various parts of the country, resulting in flash floods. In some areas, more than 300 millimeters of rain fell. This is the norm for 3 years, which is an anomalous phenomenon for the Arabian Peninsula.